Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm at a Howlands Casino today. I'm going to be playing Hot Red Ruby 2. It's a 50-cent denom. We'll start out with $5 bets. We got about $300 loaded in the machine. Let's see if we get some red screens today. Got us a little hit there, $4. There we go, got us a $10 hit. Money back. Nice little hit there, more than a double up. Alright, we're going to raise that bet one. There we go, and we're red, guys. Keep going. There we go. Keep going. And it stayed in. There we go, guys. Nice little hit, a little over $60. Brings us up to $330 on that ticket. We'll keep spinning. We're going to raise that bet one more time. Do some $10 spins. There we go. Got our money back on that one, guys. Come on, Ruby. Go red. There we go. 20 back on that one. Another 20. Looking for that red screen. Got a little hit there. We almost got our money back. Money back on that one. Go back down to 15 for a few spins. There we go, and we're red. Stay in there, Ruby. Alright. Almost back where we started, guys. We're going to stay on that 15 bet. Seems to like that better. We'll play this down to 250. See if we get us another red screen. One more, guys. Since we got a hit, one more. Alright, thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you soon.